Alright, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to talk about designing a thumbnail on mobile phone in Android and iOS. So I have iPhone and you can deal with these kind of things on Android as well. First of all, you need to go to Play Store or iPhone Store and download Phonto app. So go to your browser and here you can type Phonto PNG and download a picture. And if you don't have this Pexels app, you can go to this app as well and download any background you like because it's a free source. You can download so many of the pictures here. I have already downloaded a picture in my gallery, so I will use that one. Open Phonto, and here you click on camera button and open from the photo albums, and here is the background I will use. So I'm gonna press OK, and first I need to import here 3 dots. At the bottom left corner, you press them and click add image. So this is a PNG file. I can place it anywhere here. And now I need to write text here. It's very simple and a nice tool. So click anywhere and here just type how to design. Okay, I just leave it here. How to design is already nice, and here I can just go to background and I want to give it a background. So I'm gonna take a red background, and then width is like full, height is like this one, 0 is all right, and here I need a little bit curve, right? So this is done, and now you just go to size and reduce the size a little bit, and here I can place this one to this place. And now let's go to text, and here you can also design, like in the style section you can go to stroke, give a little bit stroke to your text if you want to give. That would be like black stroke, you can see. And if you give a background, it is better not to give any stroke. Or if you want to give just -3, 1 to -2 or 3 is fine. And then you can choose the color like this one or this one. With this white one, a bluish one looks better, so you can just keep it there. And once it's done, how to design and size, you can select like bigger, smaller, up to you. And here in the tilt option, if you rotate this one a little bit, 1, 2, that's fine. And size is just like minus size here, size, and a little bit here. All right, so one is done, and now you just copy, scroll this one here, copy, and now go to text again. Here you can choose different fonts as well. I use Anton fonts all the time, so I have this one, and you can import the new fonts as well, and you can write other languages as well, as this is Urdu. And I place it here, and I go to style again, and here I can give the text color as the background color should be, all right, it's black. In the style section you can check this alpha here, like this one. You can bring the level down, the background would be visible as well. Sorry, I realized that I have written design 2 times, so I can delete this one design, or maybe I can just keep it there, and design I can remove this one here, and that's all right. So how to design thumbnail on Phonto app. This is very simple and easy and quick tool you can use, so it looks great. I think like these rectangles which I am using right now are better than Canva, because once we use in Canva, the rectangle is beyond the text sometimes, and the circular and rectangular shape is that weird. So this app is comparatively better in terms of rectangles and putting your text and designing it and importing the new fonts as well. So hope you got the idea. See you next time. Bye bye.